This is going to be your next favorite salad recipe because we are going to be making some delicious, crunchy, and very well seasoned lettuce salad, which is going to be filled with so many vegetables. It's going to be colorful, and the salad is a perfect side dish that you can serve while chilled, and it's going to be so good. The ingredients for the salads are going to be very simple and fresh. So I'll start off by chopping up my iceberg lettuce. So I'm going to cut in half. Place one half aside, and then this is how the lettuce is looking on the inside. So I'm going to cut into quarter. Once done, you're going to wash your lettuce in between the leaves so that you can get rid of any soil or fat. I have completely separated the leaves of my lettuce because I wanted to thoroughly give it a very nice wash. So I'm going to roughly chop up my lettuce for my salad. Transfer to my bowl. Chop to your own preference. I love mine medium sized. Just like that. Transfer the rest to the bowl. Then next I'm going to be chopping up a cucumber. Cut my cucumber into rings. Then I'm going to stack and cut in half, just like this. Transfer to my bowl so that I can get bite-sized pieces of my cucumber. Next I'm going to chop a yellow bell pepper, which is going to add in sweetness. Cut into strips, and then I'm going to cut in half, just like that. Transfer to my bowl. Next, pick 2 tomatoes. Cut my tomato in half and then into strips. If you have cherry tomatoes, you can also use in the salad. Transfer to my bowl. This is a lot of salad that I'm going to be enjoying with my family. So next I'm going to pick my onion and cut in half, then into strips. Transfer to my bowl. I'm loving the colors in my salad. And lastly, I'm going to be grating my carrot with this multi-purpose grater. So I'm going to be using these holes to grate my carrots into long strips. Once you have a small piece just like this, you're going to place aside, and then you're going to pick your next carrot. Transfer to my bowl. We are going to be making lemon olive oil dressing for our salad. So in a small jar or in a glass jar, you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of lemon. So I'm going to squeeze into my small jar, add in some black pepper and salt. And a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then I'm going to cover, shake for about 30 seconds so that everything is fully combined. And once done, you'll notice that it is a little bit cloudy, just like this. So it's ready. So I'm going to place everything aside, pick my bowl, and then I'm going to be adding in my dressing. Go in with a spatula and make sure all the ingredients are fully combined with the dressing. This looks so delicious at this point. Make sure the seasoning is just perfect, and once done mixing, you're going to refrigerate your salad for around 30 minutes so that it can stay fresh and also for the crispiness. This lettuce salad is a very nice way that you can include some fresh vegetables to your family's lunch or dinner, and everyone is going to enjoy because, yeah, this is so delicious. Hope you'll be trying out